Your Honda CTX700N is built for comfort, but not so much for the wind. And over time, the constant wind can wear you out, but this shield can help fix that. This is the MRA pouring windscreen, and unlike a lot of the other smaller sports style windscreens, this one is designed with extra length to actually make a noticeable difference. Instead of wind hitting you directly, it's being pushed up and over your body, which is gonna help smooth out the airflow and reduce that constant fatigue. You can find this windshield at accessoryinternational.com. Now, one thing I like about this MRA windscreen, it's built simple. It's meant to remove your stock screen and bolt this one on. And material-wise, MRA uses a high-quality PMMA acrylic, so you're getting something that's rigid and UV resistant. At the end of the day, this is a comfort upgrade. So if you're using your CTX700N for cruising or commuting, this is gonna make your ride a lot smoother and less tiring overall. My name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years, and if you have any questions for us, give us a call at 786-242-5400. If you found any value out of this video today, give us a like and subscribe for more. Thanks again for tuning in. We'll see you next time.